Hey there, I just want to say thank you so much for watching these videos. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and share so that you can get great content every time I post a new video. So today we're going to be going over the bio link. Instead of doing like a link tree landing page with Canva, you can have a lot more control over the design, the look and feel of your web bio page. You can do more as far as creativity goes, like I've added these flowers, changed the colors to make it more brand friendly. And then when you click on these links, it just takes you directly to your site or the link. So that one goes to my website. This one will go to YouTube, Facebook. You will get this notification that they are leaving, but they just click on that and it'll take them to their Facebook page. If you have any seller guides or home buyer guides, then you can link those in here as well on your landing page for your website. So these are all links that are created by you or by your social media platform. You can also put LinkedIn on here. You just have to put in your LinkedIn link. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and go into my Canva account. And so the way that I created this page is I went to the Instagram story. And so that is kind of the mobile size. And then we're going to start from a blank page. So what I did was I went to my element section here, and that's where I found the flowers. And I just typed in flowers. So I have them here. I'm just gonna line this up the way I want it. And I don't really want it to be that dark because it's too distracting. If it's too dark, I just want a light pattern behind it. So I'm gonna go to this transparency button here and then just turn it all the way down. Not all the way down, but just, maybe 20 to 25 would be good. And then I'm gonna duplicate this. So up here in the corner, you can make a copy of it. And then I flipped it around horizontal and then brought it down here. And then just position it how you'd like it. And then for the picture, I went into my elements and I grabbed a frame here. Now you can choose any frame that you want. There's tons to choose from, but circle is very simple. Just drop it here. And then for the background, like how I have the little paint behind it, I just went and got an element here and I just typed in circle. And there's plenty for you to choose from. There's like these cute watercolor ones. Let's see, the one that I had is somewhere around here. Here it is. So I actually found this in the gradients. So if you want this exact one, just find it in the gradient. And then I changed the colors to match the brand. I sized it up to match the photo. And then position here backward. And then just kind of adjust it however you want using your arrow keys. It's probably the easiest thing to do. And then you can turn it here. So I just kind of turned it a little bit until I liked it. I kind of like it like that. So that's all for that. Let's put thick line. And it was this one here. And then I changed it to my brand colors. And I just did both of them. You can obviously do this however you want to do. And then I put text on top. So I went in, pulled some text, and this is my first link, which is my website. And then I made it much, much bigger. And you can make it as big as you want, as small as you want. All right, so let's just spell that correctly. So now I'm just going to highlight the text and hold shift and highlight the thick line there, that paintbrush stroke. And then I'm going to group these together so that they stay together. Make this just a little bit bigger to go to the edges more. And then position it where I want it. Now I'm going to duplicate this again because now I'm going to work on my next link, which is my YouTube channel. So I'm going to double click here, type in YouTube. kind of fix that up a little bit, and then repeat. So you do this as many times as you want for however many links you want to use. So just shrink these down if they fit, or if they don't fit, excuse me. So now that I've got all of these in here, I'm just going to throw my picture in there, upload this image, and just drag and drop it into the circle. And then I'm going to put my, I'm getting in the habit in real estate to just put these on everything. So you can usually find these on the websites, Equal Housing and the Realtor logo. You can actually download a really good copy of that logo, a high quality file on the Realtor website. So, and now I'm going to add my company, Remax Integrity. So you'll just have to upload your media and drop it in there if you don't already have that there. So now setting up your links. So you're going to double click on the text, and then you're going to go up to the link tool, and you're going to put your link, copy and paste it there, or just type it in there. And when you usually do it, it's going to underline it. See how it just put an underline? And with my font, it just doesn't look good. It's too cluttery. So you can just take that off by hitting the underline icon again. And now the link is there, but you don't have that eyesore of the underline. So same for each one. You just go through, link it to where you want that to go, apply, remove the underline, and go down for each one. So these are both landing pages for your website. It's more of a complex, advanced feature, but you can put your other websites. You can put home partners if you have it, if you do it in your state. So please check the description below. I'm going to have these templates for sale in the comments. So if you want to go ahead and purchase this template, I'll have a couple different variations that you can use for your site. And then you'll want to put this in your, definitely on Instagram. Every time you refer to anything, you can say my seller guide, check out my link in bio. And that's where that comes from. So the last thing that I want to show you is how to do your URL shortener. So when you go here, you're going to click on share, and this is how you're going to get the link for this page where you land here. This is where I landed, but see how this link is like super duper long. So you're going to use your Remax URL shortener or bit.ly if you're not a Remax agent. And then you're going to go to the create link inside of the Remax URL shortener. If you don't have it in your tab here, just search it URL shortener. And then you're going to click on that. And then you're going to create your link. So the link name is optional, but this is where you want to type in that super long link. And I've already done one here, so I'm just going to go back and refer to this. So this is the shortened link. So then you can actually change the name of the back end of the link if you go to edit. So if you want to change it here, that's where you change your mumbo jumbo letters and numbers. And then, so the three dots will allow you to copy it. So now when I go to the browser and I paste my short link and hit enter, it's going to land on my bio link landing page. So get rid of Linktree. It's not as cool. It's not as fun. Canva is way better, and you'll be able to share all of your important links with your followers or your clients, potential clients. They'll be able to find everything they need in one nice little space. And this is mobile friendly, by the way. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you have a great day. Happy designing. Bye.